Hello, I am Dimple Sachdeva from DAV Public School, Sahibabad. As you all know, sky watching is a fascinating experience for all the students. We have so many curious questions about sun, moon, stars and other celestial bodies in the sky. Today we are going to talk about sun and its family, that is solar system. Our solar system comprises of sun and 8 planets. Sun is the central part of our solar system. It is huge sphere of very hot gases. It produces light of its own. It is also very huge and massive as compared to all the planets, but it appears small due to its large distance from the earth. It gives us heat and light energy. We call this energy as solar energy. Sun is essential for growth and maintenance of all life forms on the earth. There are 8 planets which revolve around the sun. The movement of the planets around the sun is known as revolution. Each planet revolves around the sun in a definite path. This path is nearly circular in shape and is known as orbit. The shape of the orbit is elliptical. All these planets are at different distance from the sun. Mercury is the first planet. It is closest to the sun. It is dry, hot and almost airless planet. It is also the smallest planet. Unlike the earth, there is no atmosphere around the planet. The light and the sun heat of the sun therefore reached the side of Mercury facing the sun directly. This side becomes very hot and other side remains comparatively cool. Venus. Shukra. It is the second nearest planet to the sun. Its size is nearly the same as that of the earth. It receives much large amount of heat and light from the sun as compared to the earth. Venus has a very thick atmosphere. This reflects back a large amount of solar energy that falls on it. It is therefore the brightest object seen in the sky. Earth. Prithvi is the third planet in the terms of increasing distance from the sun. It is also known as blue planet because of the presence of water on it. Earth takes 365 days to revolve around the sun and 24 hours to rotate around its own axis. Mars. Mangal is the planet that lies beyond the earth. It has atmosphere which is thinner than the earth. It is also known as red planet because of the soil present on the surface of the Mars. It has 2 moons. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are known as terrestrial planets as their surface is made up of rocks and metals. Jupiter. Brihaspati. It is the 5th planet in terms of distance from the sun. It is the largest planet in our solar system. It is far away from sun and is very cold planet. Saturn. Shani is the 6th planet. It is second largest planet in our solar system. It has set of beautiful rings around it. It is therefore also known as ringed planet. Uranus. It is the 7th planet in our solar system. It also has a ring system. It is the third largest planet in the solar system. Neptune. It is the last planet. It is also known as windy planet as strong winds blow on its surface. Thank you.